Apple 2023 iPhone lineup includes two large screen models, the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, although they share a 6.7-inch display and several core features. These two phones are designed for different users. The 15 Plus offers a spacious screen and strong battery life at a more accessible price point, while the 15 Pro Max showcases Apple's most advanced materials, chipset, and camera technologies. Below, we compare the two in detail to help you decide which model is the best fit for your needs. Both the iPhone 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max feature a glass front and back protected by ceramic shield, along with IP68 water and dust resistance. The most noticeable difference lies in the frame material. The 15 Plus retains an aerospace-grade aluminum frame that is both lightweight and durable, available in black, blue, green, yellow, and pink finishes. In contrast, the 15 Pro Max steps up to a Grade 5 titanium frame, offering a premium feel that is lighter than stainless steel and more scratch-resistant than aluminum. Titanium finishes include natural titanium, titanium blue, titanium white, and titanium black, each conveying a more sophisticated aesthetic. In terms of dimensions, the 15 Pro Max measures 159.9 times 76.7 times 8.3 millimeters and weighs about 221 grams. The 15 Plus is very slightly taller and wider at 160.9 times 77.8 times 7.8 millimeters, but it is thinner and lighter, tipping the scale at 201 grams. Both phones feel solid in hand, but the Pro Max titanium edges provide a more tactile, premium grip. Another subtle design distinction: the 15 Pro Max replaces the traditional mute switch with a customizable action button, while the 15 Plus retains the standard mute slider. Both models share a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen with a resolution of 1290 times 2796 pixels 460 pixels per inch, HDR10, and Dolby Vision support. Peak brightness for HDR content reaches 2000 nits on both devices, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility. They also both adopt Apple Dynamic Island in place of the old notch. However, the 15 Pro Max display benefits from ProMotion technology, allowing an adaptive refresh rate between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. This results in smoother scrolling, more fluid animations, and a noticeably better gaming experience. Compared to the 60 Hz only panel on the 15 Plus, the Pro Max also adds an always-on display, which lets you glance at key information, time, widgets, notifications without waking the entire screen. Because of thinner bezels, the 15 Pro Max achieves roughly an 89.8% screen-to-body ratio, compared to about 88.0% on the 15 Plus. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by Apple brand new A17 Pro chipset, manufactured on a 3nm process. It features a 6-core CPU, 2 high-performance cores at 3.78 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 2.11 GHz, plus a 6-core GPU that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The Pro Max also ships with 8 GB of RAM. In contrast, the 15 Plus uses the previous generation A16 Bionic, also a very capable 4nm chip, featuring a 6-core CPU, 2 x 3.46 GHz high performance, 4 x 2.02 GHz efficiency, and a 5-core GPU, paired with 6 GB of RAM. While the A16 Bionic still delivers excellent real-world performance for apps, media playback, and even demanding mobile games, the A17 Pro provides a substantial uplift in raw processing and graphics power, especially for professional-grade apps, 3D games, and advanced AI tasks. The camera configurations are another area where these two models diverge significantly. The iPhone 15 Plus features a dual camera system, a 48 megapixels main sensor with a 1 guilder and 60 cents aperture, 11.56, sensor size, 1.0 meters pixels. Dual pixel PDAF, and second generation sensor shift optical image stabilization OIS. Its secondary lens is a 12 megapixels ultra-wide angle, within 2 guilders and 40 cents aperture and a 120 field of view. For most casual photographers, this setup captures vivid, sharp images suitable for social sharing. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a triple camera array, plus a lidar scanner. Its main sensor remains 48 megapixels, but it is larger at 11.28, with 1.22 meters pixels. Dual pixel PDAF, and a second-generation sensor shift OIS, offering superior low-light performance and stabilization. The 15 Pro Max alone gains a 12 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, 2 guilders and 80 cents with 5 times optical zoom. A first for an iPhone at this price point. This lens also offers dual pixel PDAF and 3D sensor shift OIS, delivering sharp zoomed-in shots and smooth stabilization. The third camera is a 12 megapixels ultra-wide 2 guilders and 20 cents. 13 mm with a larger 12.55 sensor and 1.4 meters pixels, enabling macro photography. A lidar sensor assists with low-light focusing and augmented reality AR tasks. On the front, both phones share a 12 megapixels TrueDepth camera, 1 guilder and 90 cents. 23 mm with PDAF, but only the 15 Pro Max front lens includes optical image stabilization for steadier selfies and video. When it comes to video, both can record 4K at multiple frame rates with Dolby Vision HDR. However, the 15 Pro Max extends video capabilities by supporting Apple ProRes recording, spatial video capture for Apple Vision Pro, and more advanced cinematic features. If photography and videography are priorities, the Pro Max larger sensors, superior optical zoom, and extended video formats clearly make it the more powerful choice. Battery capacities on both phones are similar. The 15 Plus uses a 4,383 mAh cell, while the 15 Pro Max steps up slightly to 4,441 mAh. In everyday tests, both models deliver ample all-day battery life. The 15 Plus may edge out slightly due to its 60 Hz display, consuming less power than the Pro Max adaptive 120 Hz panel. Both support wired fast charging via USB-C power delivery 2.0 up to 50% charge in 30 minutes, plus MagSafe wireless charging at 15W and Qi 2 wireless charging at 15W with iOS 17.2 or later. Each can also reverse charge compatible accessories at 4.5W. Both run iOS 17 out of the box and qualify for Apple multi-year software update policy. They share the second generation ultra-wideband UWB chip and emergency SOS via satellite. Networking differs somewhat. The 15 Plus offers Wi-Fi 6 dual band, whereas the 15 Pro Max advances to tri-band Wi-Fi 6E. Crucially, data transfer speeds differ between their USB-C ports. Pro Max uses USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 up to 10 gigabits per second, while the 15 Plus sticks with USB-C 2.0 480 megabits per second. If you frequently transfer large video files, the Pro Max faster port will save time. If you want a large-screen iPhone with a more accessible price, robust performance, great battery life, and a capable dual camera system, the iPhone 15 Plus is an excellent choice. The A16 Bionic handles almost every task with ease, and the aluminum design still feels premium. If your budget allows and you prioritize top-tier performance, superior photography, especially telephoto zoom, a buttery smooth 120 Hz display with always-on support, titanium construction, and the fastest USB-C speeds, then the iPhone 15 Pro Max is worth the extra investment. Ultimately, Both phones share that expansive 6.7-inch canvas, excellent color accuracy, and long software support. Your decision comes down to whether you need the Pro Max advanced camera features, chipset headroom, and premium materials, or if you're content with the 15 Plus more affordable, yet still very powerful, big screen experience.